Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a unique, quick and easy dessert recipe made with cucumbers. Yummy cucumber cake. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Kakdiche Sandan. I'm going to use 4 small size cucumbers and first we are going to peel them. This Kakdiche Sandan or cucumber cake is really soft and very moist. Next we are going to grate the cucumbers. To make this cake we are also going to use all the water that has released from the cucumbers. Here I have all the 4 grated cucumbers and it's about 1 cup. In a big mixing bowl take 1 cup of jaggery equivalent to the cucumber, 1 cup of grated cucumber. To add some flavor, a pinch of nutmeg powder and a pinch of cardamom powder. Mix everything well. Let this mixture rest for about 20 to 30 minutes until the jaggery melts. In the interim, in a pan, we are going to dry roast some idli rava on a medium flame. Keep sauteing it for about 5 to 7 minutes and you will feel a nice aroma coming from the pot. Next add 2 to 3 tablespoons of some clarified butter. Fry it well for another 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. In the cucumber jaggery mixture, next add 3/4 cup of coconut milk. Give it a really good mix. The coconut milk definitely adds an amazing flavor. Now let's add the roasted idli rava and we had let it cool down completely before adding it to this mixture. Mix it really well. Let this mixture rest for about an hour or so. Open and let's check. The mixture still seems to be a little watery, but notice that the idli rava has soaked most of the water content. To make this Kakdiche Sandan or cucumber cake, we are basically going to steam it, and for that I'm here using a cake pan, added some parchment paper as well as greased it well with some oil spray. Pour all the mixture into the cake pan. Spread it through the pan well and evenly adjust it. Decorate it with your choice of dry fruits. Here I'm using some almond slices, but you're welcome to add any pistachios or raisins or so forth. I'm just using my idli steamer and we are going to steam this Kakdiche Sandan or the cucumber cake for about 45 minutes. Open after about 45 minutes and notice how well it's done. Let it cool down completely and let's kind of flip it. Let's check how well it has turned out. So just give it a quick dab like that. It kind of falls off. Let's turn it upside down. The almond side is up. Cut it into the desired shape. I'm making diamond shape. It's a quick and handy and unique dessert recipe that you can try with cucumbers. Extremely healthy and very moist cucumber cake is ready. Try this Kakdiche Sandan and you will definitely love it. The fat content in this Kakdiche Sandan is extremely low, just 2 to 3 tablespoons that we used while roasting the idli rava. Look at that, simply amazing. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.